Hey y'all, if you new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back, poop. So today I'm doing a review on the honey pots. What I think. So remember, this is day one. Okay? So this is day one of me trying the honey pot. These are their overnight pads because this is in high demand. And luckily the store had them. So normally you have to order if you want tampons, but I need them right this second. So this one on and got the overnight. So they're herbal infused pads with wings as mint cooling, lavender calm, and aloe soothing. No chlorine, no pesticides, and no fragrances. Whoa. I feel the cooling. Like, that's crazy. I literally just put this on 5 minutes ago. And like I'm sitting down and like, wow, okay. So when you open it, it's like this. And you can smell the mint. So each day of my period, I'm gonna give y'all a day to day and what I think about it and what I tried again. It's supposed to be, well, it is plant based, so it's supposed to help with cramps. And lately I've been getting horrible cramps. So I want to see me switching my products would help. So I'll let y'all know by the end of the week what I think. So remember, this is day one. Like literally, day one. So today I'm doing a review on the Honey Pot Fitment Wash and their pads. So I've been using this since June. It's about to be November. So 3 months for $8.99 and I'm almost out. They say use 3 pumps, but it foams amazing. If you go and if you use one, it'll be fine. And this is without a wet rag. See how good it foams up? So imagine when your rag is wet, that's gonna do amazing. And it has like a real clean aloe scent, and this is for sensitive. Then they have another one for normal, then one for post-pregnancy. So the pH of it is 3.5 to 4.5. And if I'm not mistaken, that's more on the basic, it's not the acidic range. I'm gonna double check though. So, and it's plant-based. So with the pads, as you can see the first clip I'm gonna show y'all, like when I first felt it, like it had like a cooling sensation. And that just, oh my goodness, it felt so good. Like it just felt like minty. So normally my period is real heavy every single day, except for a day it comes off. So the first 3 days I used the pads, like my period was like normal heaviness. Then after that, the pads like this, and I would use up all of it except for up to like here. So the next 3-4 days of my period, I was just using this much of the pad. And that's, for me, that's not a lot. Especially when the first 3 days I was covering up the whole pad. So I was really surprised. You know, my cramps weren't as bad, but I can't really say, oh, yeah, it really did something for my cramps because I really don't know. But I can definitely say it wasn't as bad as normal. My bleeding wasn't as bad as normal. And since I've used this for 3 months and I really like it. And I can say I haven't felt no type of irritation, no sensitiveness towards it. So I'm definitely going to continue using this. I definitely want to try their tampons that they have because I'm more of a tampon person anyway. And then they have a spray. And their spray is lavender scent. So they done got a new person, they done got a new buyer. I can see myself continue on using this. So it has lavender in it, vinegar, and candula. So like I said, their spray has lavender in it. And like you can't really smell the vinegar. Like it's like a hint that you can smell. Other than that, it's the light aloe fresh scent. Like everything ranges from like $8.99, which isn't bad. You can buy it at your local Target or Walmart. I found my pads at Target, or you can order it online on their website, honeypot.com. You can get everything, and they'll give you free shipping if you buy all three things, which ain't bad. Like I said, I'm gonna go and use the tampons because the tampons have the same stuff in it. Okay, when I say stuff, I mean they have herbs, herbs in it. It's supposed to help with cramps, and you could just smell it. Like it smells minty and lavender. So, I definitely like that part about it. So, get you some, sis.